Do you know your profit margin and if you're actually profiting on Amazon? What about your other important KPIs? There are a lot of features in Zonguru that we like, but one of the main features that I like and that I want to go over today is the dashboard, is the reporting side of Zonguru. Within the dashboard, one of the main things I want you to pay attention to is, this is pulling in all of the data. This is pulling in everything that you need to see in a nice, clear, organized fashion from Amazon Seller Central. You're going to be able to see a complete breakdown of all the important costs, whether it be the advertising, the fees, again, cost of goods, breakdown of your exact advertising costs across the sponsored products, sponsored display, sponsored brands, and sponsored brand video, and promos and rebates, if you're doing any of those, all of your refunds, and again, back up here with fees, actually seeing, your selling fees, service fees, all that good stuff.